A very good morning, students. Let's start our class. Today we are going to do revision, English revision of term 1. Let me share that screen for you. As you can see here, some questions are given, which you all have to do on your notebook. Your classwork notebook you all have to complete. Write down the meanings of the word given. Here you all have to write down the meanings of the word given here. The first one is forgiveness. Question number B is commotion. Next is forbidden. Next is whisper, stumbled, dishevelled. I hope you all can write the meanings of these words. Next question is make sentences of the given word. Here you have to make sentences of these words by yourself. Announcement, giggle, determination, curious, bird, trap. Next is you have to write the opposites of the word given. First one is dangerous, narrow, shallow, rude, coward, and doubtful. Now move to the next one, which is write down the answers of these questions. Here you all have to write the answers of the questions, which I will write here. Start writing the questions. Write down the 4 things the poet wants his cow to do. Write down the 4 things the poet wants his cow to do. Write down the next question. What is the difference between tug and hug? Write down the next question. Why was Swaminathan beginning to hate Rama? Question number D is How does hope help us? This is question number D. Next is question number E. What is the difference between the word and you? Question number F. On your camera, Pratyanshu and Srishti. How many times I told you that do not off your camera during class? Please take care of this. Why does the speaker talk about pain? This is question number F. Pratyanshu, are you writing or not? You are sitting very comfortably. That's why I am asking you that are you writing or not?
Ma'am, it's a test.
You can see the heading, what is written here. Can you see it?
No, ma'am, I come too late now and my screen shares.
But you can see what is written here was in the top of the screen. I hope you can read that. It's a revision, Pratyanshu. It's not a test. It's already written here. Please take care of the class, timing of the class, and join your class in time. I think these questions are sufficient. Now move to the next exercise. So students, here is your revision. Here is your revision of term 1. I'm repeating it once again for you all. Question number 1 is write down the meanings of the given word: forgiveness, commotion, forbidden, whisper, stumbled, and disheveled. These are the meanings, words which you have to write the meanings of. Next question is question number 2. Make sentences out of given word. First is announcement. Second is giggle, determination, furious, birth, and trap. Next is write down the opposite of the given words. You have to write the opposites: dangerous, narrow, shallow, rude, coward, doubtful. Next is write down the answers of these questions. List 4 things the poet wants his cow to do. Second question is what is the difference between tug and hug? Next question is why was Swaminathan beginning to hate Rama? Next question is how does hope help us? What is the difference between the earth and you? Why does a speaker talk about the pain? And write 2 points of difference between Ashish and Rahul. And last question is what was the mystery? Next is do as directed. Here the first question is the dog dashed into the well. In bracket it is written